back to another video.
Hello guys. Okay, so Ayla, what's happening today then?
So today's Sunday and I have nothing to do, so I wanted to make a pizza.
Well, you had some cleaning to do, but you've not done a good job of that. And you decided to have more fun in front of the camera, didn't you? Right, tell us what you got there.
So we got a pizza making kit.
Okay.
And it comes with the flour and the sauce for the
pizza sauce.
Pizza. And you guys need to get some cheese if you want it. And since I like margarita, I'm just gonna keep it simple with just putting cheese on. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna see what's in this box. So we have the pack for the flour. That's
okay.
A lot of flour. And then behind it, it's stuck on two of these sauces.
The pizza sauces.
Pizza sauce. And so, since there's two sauce packs, I think there's going to be two pizzas.
You're right. So that box, that kit is
and there's a lot of flour, so that's
yeah, that kit is for two pizzas.
Okay guys, so you need to get yourself a bowl and open the flour. So that's what I've done, and then you need to pour the flour in the bowl, so that's fine.
Okay, go for it.
All of it?
I think so, yeah. We'll make two pizzas, so go for it.
Oh, guys, there's really a lot of flour. Okay guys, for the next thing you need some water and you need some oil.
Yes, so the water, guys, it needs to be like lukewarm, 170 ml, and you need about 20 ml of vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
Okay, so for the next part, Ayla, I think you need to pour it in slowly and nicely.
And then we'll pour in the oil. Whoa.
Okay.
It looks like egg. Okay guys, for the next part you need to mix. So either you can use a fork or you can use a wooden spoon, but I prefer a fork. So let's start mixing. Two-second break. Okay guys, so I just finished mixing it and it kind of looks like bubble gum. Okay guys, for the next thing you need to do is you need to put some flour on the surface like I did.
And that's to stop it from being sticky, isn't it?
Yeah, so it doesn't stick on the surface.
Okay.
So then I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to slap it. Okay guys, so when you're finished putting all the flour on it and it's no sticky anymore, you need to make it into a big ball and then cut it in half. So make sure you ask your parent to cut it in half. And then you make two balls like I did.
Okay. And then what do we do now, Ayla? I think we just need to, using a rolling pin, which you have there already.
Right here.
We're going to turn it into
a big circle.
Yes. Okay, Ayla. So I think now what you need to do is you need to
roll it on the roll.
Go for it.
Okay guys, so I evened some of it and my dad helped, and my dad did some more because it wasn't even enough, and my dad made it massive.
And we've put it on a tray. Now I think we're supposed to put a baking sheet under it, but we haven't got any, so we're hoping it's not going to stick.
You guys do it, but so.
Well, we'll let you know if it sticks or not, because we worried it might stick to the.
Yeah, because we have some powder under the flour, because that usually works. Okay, guys. So for the next thing you need to do is you need to get your sauce and open it and get your spoon, and then you need to pour it right in the middle, like I'm doing. Oh.
Okay.
There's a lot more sauce than I thought.
Oh.
It's scary. Ooh, this. Okay guys, so now you need to get your spoon and spread it evenly.
Okay, go
Why
on.
are there little white bits in there?
It's probably just the
Dough.
yeah, the flour.
Okay guys, when you're finished doing all the sauce like I did, you can put your ingredients on, but I'm just putting cheese on because I like margarita, but you guys don't just have to do this. You guys can put on whatever you like tomatoes and stuff. So let's go. I have a bad feeling you're going to put too much on. Exactly what I thought.
Okay, that's enough. Maybe just spread them out with your hands.
You didn't see that, guys. Okay guys, so now my pizza is ready to go in the oven, and now and you need to make sure your oven is preheated.
Okay, yeah, and guys, please make sure your parents or yourselves preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and have it ready.
And it needs to stay in the oven for 15 minutes.
So that's what we're going to do now, guys. We're going to put this in the oven for 15
and then
minutes.
We'll show you what the results look like.
And we'll come back and show you what it looks like.
And we're going to also do the second one.
Yes, we might do that, and we'll probably put some different topics on that. We'll see.
We'll see.
All right.
Okay guys, so we've baked the pizza.
And guys, luckily it did not stick under the tray because we were a bit worried about that, but it came out perfect. And Ayla, do you want to taste and tell us what it tastes like? And you've already had a bite, I can see.
It was delicious.
Well, that's a big bite.
Delicious.
It's actually nice. Yeah? Okay. All right, well, listen, guys, we're going to make the second pizza now with probably different toppings.
No, same.
For myself. Oh, is it the same one? Okay. Clearly not. And I think that's it, Ayla.
Dad, do you like my new smiley face? The smiley face.
All right, guys. So with this, we'll call this video, call it an end. So please
subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell button.
So yes, please. And we'll see you on the next video, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.